Look at them. They are very small. They are very young. They are your junior, I think.
Okay, I'm going. Then.
Whoa, the violence. Ready?
Oh no. Oh. Okay, fine.
Job and occupation.
Job, education, and
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
quiz.
Amanda.
is a
Which one?
Amanda is a what the heck?
Say with the color and shape. Is it okay? Good job.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Oh, kaya.
When you didn't show the leaderboard.
Iya, mesti kasih ke Roger.
No way.
Are you Miss Alia's student? Move to next video. Maybe the end. And yes.
Next period. I'm reacting.
Very easy. Yeah? Counts money.
Money. Dollar.
Count.
Oh no, I got wrong.
Guys, English lawyer, it means pengacara. You know?
Acara. No.
You know this one? Yes.
Butcher vanity.
Very nice. Butcher. If there is fish, if there is a fish,
Cooker.
fishmonger. This one is very easy.
Yeah, very easy. That's my
This
dream.
one, hello. This is architect, not the worker, yeah. Architect.
Let's see the leaderboard.
Next, the
The tree. The barber. Carpenter sounds like.
yes. Carpenter means to
Oh, I thought carpenter is a music artist.
yes, that's the song of the music.
Carpenter Sabrina.
I do it, yeah. Very nice. Yes, here's the next one.
I don't know.
Builder.
I don't know.
It's true. This.
Skibidi.
Ooh. Look at that.
I don't know.
Like a panda. In Indonesia we call it pramugari ya. This. Oh.
Go cut your teeth.
You go very fast.
I got correct. Bakareda.
The last one is journalist. You know, journalist means that reporter, everyone. If it is lawyer, pengacara. If it is judge, it means hakim. Yes, different ya. Pengacara with hakim.
I didn't know what is judge means. If you go to jail, you will meet the judge first.
Yes, that's the final result, yeah, when someone is going to go to jail or no.
He's E.
He's I don't know. Oh.
Look at that, it's a fire tornado. It's a fire tornado.
Bomber.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
James is a.
Jamaica.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Do you want to be a soldier?
He's a rocket soldier.
No.
Boska,
If you want to
Boska.
go to war.
Oh, Hannah is the first. We cannot beat Hannah.
She's
Pretty girl.
which one is it?
Oh!
No, it isn't a dance, it's though.
I clap my hands. I am a skibidi. Skibidi.
Oh.
Skibidi.
What is this?
What do you mean?
Journalist, of course.
What do you
How can
mean?
become an actor?
I saw the journalist holding a notebook.
What is waiter, everyone?
I'm gonna
Yes.
I'm
It
gonna
is
wait.
Waitress.
A girl waiter.
If it is waiter, it means the waiter is a boy. If it is
wait.
waitress, the wait.
Waiter is waiting something that
What is his job?
my job is tung 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 something.
We already learned this.
Butcher variety.
Yes.
Yo. Yo.
Mr. Bean.
Oh, nostalgia. Oh, yeah, it's a nostalgia. I like Mr. Bean.
Have you ever watched Mr. Bean before?
No, but I remember him
Yes.
as the king of
With
nostalgia.
his tiny teddy bear.
Nani.
I love it so.
I love it.
This.
Thing.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Really nice. I am a.
Doctor.
What is this?
Yay! I am correct. Eh.
You know plum.
I know.
Plum means pipe.
Got
Pipe. Yeah.
pipe. Oh, wait.
Yeah. So it means plumber. The last question. Tommy is a good.
Toy.
Nah, this one?
I know that.
Of course.
I know that.
Okay.
Let's see the
Let's see the
podium.
podium.
I'm the second. Yay, it's me. I'm the second.
Yay.
My name is
Yay.
Green. Akareda.
You know,
Tutorial for students.
if I had so many students here, I would choose like 5 person with the most points to have punishment. But today we only 3. How can it be? Everyone has got their own podium, right? Yeah.
Miss, the Kahoot has an upgrade to that island.
Yeah. I remember that.
Why don't you check the
Guys,
island?
check how you copy this one first. You can pick your gadget. Yeah, finish for the Kahoot. You want to play this one first while waiting for me? Is it color? Yeah. Okay. You keep your gadget first. We're going to play this one. Yeah. Let's go.